So I promised to show our car setup. So maybe today is the day because we turned back from our last trip 1 week ago already and I still didn't clear the car. It's still a little bit messy. So maybe I can just clean the car and show you everything. It's not the fancy one, it's just it's actually quite old because I can remember we got the car when it was 10 years old and we keep it for 7 years, so it's 17 years old car, but it still works and hopefully it will work in the next few years because we already tried to check some new car, but we realized that the offer, like most of the cars, were too long, too big for us. This one is just 6 meters long and it's ideal, it's enough. I don't want to drive a bigger, longer car. Yeah, okay, I will show you everything and explain exactly why we need exactly this setup. But at first I'm going to prepare some tea because it's pretty cold outside, so of course inside is pretty cold too. And we have a heating here in the car, but it doesn't make a sense to just turn on heating. Hopefully I will be ready in 30 minutes or so. For cooking we use a gas bottle and the bottle was, as we checked that in the last year, and it was literally like empty. So before our last trip, so I was like, oh, okay, if we will run out of the gas, so we can, it's end of the season, that's okay, we can manage that. But it still works. Yeah. Oh, probably this one is, oh no, I can see that there still is some gas here. I know we should, like, it's more practical to use plastic cups, but I don't like them, so I prefer to kind of like risk and just go with normal pot. Look, even with the heart. Yeah, okay, so the rest of the water I will use for cleaning. Okay, so now the kitchen is clean and ready for the tour. Normally I don't clean that so much because while we're on the road the car is always like just a hot mess because it's a limited space, and if we are cooking and sleeping and doing everything else in this one place, it's like mostly it gets messy. But here is the sink. This is, you know, it works like this. Here we cook. I like it that here are 3 spots for cooking. In the new cars, as we checked, that mostly there are only 2 spots, but we are used to 3 of them, and we have even look at this. I forgot to show you a fridge. And here were supposed to be spices like this, but it was not practical. They were constantly falling down like this, so my husband decided that now we will keep our spices just like this or this. So here is everything for the kitchen. Yeah, even here. Okay, and here and here. So the kitchen is pretty spacious. Look at this. So yeah, I'm satisfied with the kitchen. Can you see that? Yeah, so it's like pretty much as a normal kitchen in home. Here's the bathroom. Okay. Okay, so I definitely need to clean that before showing. Okay, just give me some time. Okay, now the bathroom is clear. So here's the toilet. Okay, here we have okay, it's nothing there. Here's the shower, and it works like this. You can put it here, but we just don't use that anymore because look at this. I would need to move the sink here, but now it's not possible, and also it just doesn't work properly. Okay, so let's move to the bedroom. It's still messy after our last trip. Okay. Oh, it's too far away. Okay. It's pretty spacious and I love it, like that. It's just a safe space. There are no doors behind me. There are no, okay, I will show you. No cabinets, so you don't need to be afraid you will hit your head into something. I need to clean that up as well. Okay, I will deal with it later because now I hope that this cleaning will take me just half an hour. But I spent, it's over 1 hour now, and there is still some space I can show you. Okay, let's do that. So here are some cabinets. Like here we mostly travel with our dog, so here is his place. Okay, here's another one cabinet, and here are like 2 more. We also use the space here as well. So here we used to eat or work. Here is I have to use these cushions when I'm driving because it's just too big, so I do it like this. And another, yeah, I can do the same with this seat, so it's quite comfortable. I like it. And now here is the garage, like a space that I can reach from the outside, and we use that for like storing our table and chairs and mostly even bicycles, because although we have like external holder for bikes, it's more practical to keep them here. Okay, so this was our car. Oh, hopefully it was satisfying, because I didn't do that before, like car tour. So, and yeah, and I also felt a little bit like parody on a van tour, because it's just definitely not the fancy one, but we needed like this because we travel with a dog. The dog got sick on the carpet at our first trip, so we just removed everything that could be broken or destroyed, and this is it. For us, it's perfect, and that's it. And also, I believe that the cleaning will take me maybe 30 minutes. And actually, I spent maybe 2 hours by cleaning the car. It was never so clean before, so I should thank the person who asked for the car tour. So thank you, Petunia. It was, I'm not sure what's your name, but you know who you are. Please send me your address and I will send you a postcard from my next trip, because yeah, thank you for the motivation to clean the car properly. Yeah, that's it for now. Bye.